Hey everyone, I figured I'd give you a quick update on what I got going on in the shop lately. Turbo 66 wide body. I was doing body work on it, trying to get it aero straight and get the body gaps all lined up. Chinese fenders and Chinese door panels or door skins don't really fit too well. It's drivable, it just sits here, sanding on it, making a big mess. We've got a friend of mine's 66 convertible in. I'm doing a 4R70 swapping it with the Quick 4 controller. It's got 351 Mustang 2 front suspension on it. Pretty slick little cruiser. Did a custom core support mounted trans cooler on it, all AN lines running along the bottom of the engine. Drilled some coolant holes for it. Can't really see them, but they're there. They're down in there. Try to go for hidden, not really stand out. Still need to tidy up the wiring and make a bracket to support it, but it works. Pretty nice stock interior, premium, fully loaded. So got that going on. It's been here a while, just slow going, waiting on parts, drive shaft get cut. Fox body, fuel pump crapped out on me a couple weeks ago, so it's just been sitting there. So I need to put a fuel pump and go through the fuel system. It was making 10 psi at idle, and it didn't like anything being revved on it. So that's what we got going on. A couple sixes, just hanging out. Think about doing more with this channel, so if y'all like what you see, let me know, reply, and I'll try to start making some progress on this thing. This is almost done, about to be out the door. I just got to tidy up some shift connectors for it. I'm still using the stock OEM 66 shifter, so it will be fully operational. It'll look OEM inside, but cruise down the highway with 350 gears at 80. No problem at all. They're trying to get this car ready for cruising the coast, I believe. But it's a nice little car. Convertible, red. Can't beat it. And if anyone needs an AOD, it's not real good, but for parts maybe, let me know.